I don't know if the camera is going to do this justice or not, but there's something really odd about the color, the energy in the sky right now. I think we might be in store for the first thunderstorm of the year. I think. I don't know, there's just something about the energy in the air right now that I thought I had to share this. It's not raining right now, but it was raining just a bit ago, and it was like this break of energy. We've had hot days the last couple days, like abnormally hot days. And then this rain just broke everything, which is kind of nice. But then you look off that way, and yeah, the camera's not doing those clouds justice. They look pretty damn dark. Chickens don't seem to be worried though. Yeah, this is an abnormal lighting for this time of day. It's like as you can tell, the sun is setting. I don't know, just seems off to me. Rain's starting to pick up, and I don't know, I'm just really digging the energy that's in the air right now. I put out a bowl to collect any rainwater I can, because I have a feeling that this rainwater might be useful. I don't know. Just, it's starting to pour right now, and I really don't want to go inside. Chickens went undercover. They're smart. Oh no, they didn't. Oh, they're kind of undercover. I'm trying to see how the rain clouds are building up against the mountains over there. I don't know, I guess I just kind of feel like going for a walk in this rain. It's kind of nice. After the last couple of days of the sun being like in the temperatures being in like the 30s, and I was getting burnt yesterday mowing the lawn. This is just nice. Oh, you can see the brown llama too. Might as well go see the llamas since I'm out here and I don't feel like going in. Hopefully nobody comes by because I am in my pajamas because I have been sick all day with a cold. But I don't feel like staying inside anymore. There's the llamas. Oh, here's Carrie. Hi, Carrie. What are you doing? What? You want to check this out? It's not food. You can check it out. No. Oh, there we go. I knew thunder was going to happen. I knew thunder was going to happen. They don't seem worried. Now let's see if I can actually see any lightning. Ooh, there the wind goes. Crow. Oh, no, that's just a patch. It's not the clouds clearing up. Still pretty. We just had a flash. I have my dog out to go to the bathroom right now. She's ready to come in, I think, now that she hears this. I think it's going to be a nice evening. We so need this right now. There's my porch light on. And I gotta put the chickens away. Well, they're probably already away, but I need to shut the door. Because at this time of day, they go to bed. I just missed that flash. Maybe I'll get another one later. Ooh, hot one. That was sheet lightning, I think. You see the train coming, that's what that light is there. And here's the rainwater I collected. Not too much, but it looks like an empty glass, but it's full right to the brim. So that's why it kind of just looks like an empty glass jar. Yeah. I was even thinking that I could possibly even recharge this storm water to the few thunder sounds that I happened to catch on this video. And I'll try it out, see if that helps at all.